Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on US 11E, beginning at mile 52 in Mossheim, Tennessee. Mossheim had a population of 2,479 as of the 2020 census. Originally named Blue Springs for a prominent spring that traversed the town, this settlement began forming around 1800. Early inhabitants were primarily German Lutherans, who established roots in the area. Around 1872, the Lutheran community established a local educational institution called Mossheim Institute, honoring the renowned German theologian Johann Lorenz von Mossheim. Simultaneously, the town's official name changed to Mossheim in alignment with the college's establishment. Situated along the base and southern slopes of Big Ridge, an elongated ridge running parallel to US 11E, Mossheim lies within the headwaters of Mossheim Branch, a tributary of Little Chuckey Creek. As we approach a junction with I-81, on the right lies Volunteer Speedway, a 0.4 of a mile dirt track known as the world's fastest dirt track. The racetrack boasts a steep banking of 32 degrees within its corners, renowned for its exceptional high-speed racing experiences. Originally constructed in 1973 and officially inaugurated for the 1974 racing season, this track has become a hub for both regional and national dirt track events affiliated with various sanctioning bodies. It serves as the prestigious venue for numerous national competitions, notably hosting events like World of Outlaws Late Model Series and Crate Nationals. The World of Outlaws, for instance, competed here in 2004, 2007, 2008, 2018, and 2020. Similarly, the Lucas Oil Late Model Dirt Series staged races at this track during multiple years such as 07, 08, twice in 2009, multiple times in 2010, 11, 12, 13, and 14. The racing calendar is filled with a diverse array of regional events, encompassing series like Schaefer's Oil Ironman Championship Late Model Series, Fast Track Racing Series, American Sprint Car Series, and Southern Nationals. In the past, events for the All-Star Circuit of Champions Sprint Cars were also hosted here. Throughout the period spanning 2004 to 2020, this track has proudly accommodated 17 national dirt late model races under the auspices of both World of Outlaws and Lucas Oil sanctions. Notably, the track remains active on a weekly basis, organizing local events featuring classes like Crate Late Models, Steelhead Late Models, Sportsman Late Model, Modified Streets, and Classic Cars. Moreover, fostering collaboration, the track maintains a working relationship with the nearby 411 Motor Speedway, Smoky Mountain Speedway, and Tazewell Speedway to address shared interest and concerns within the racing community. we enter the town of Greenville, the county seat of Greene County. In East Tennessee's 18th century history, the town served as the capital of the fleeting state of Franklin. Greenville holds its renown as the place where Andrew Johnson, the future 17th President of the United States, embarked on his political journey after transitioning from his trade as a tailor. Johnson and his family called Greenville home for a significant portion of his adult life. The town was characterized by robust abolitionist and unionist sentiments, populated by yeoman farmers whose perspectives profoundly influenced Johnson's own outlook. Between 1947 and 2005, Greenville housed the primary three facilities of Magnavox, a prominent electronics manufacturer recognized notably for its television sets. At its zenith, no pun intended, Magnavox stood as the largest employer in Greenville, providing employment to over 5,000 individuals. Greenville had a population of 15,479 as of the 2020 census. We conclude our video at mile 66. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.